guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm out here with a couple of my boys and we're gonna go freshwater creek fishing. So that should be pretty fun and hopefully we catch some nice fish.
That's good.
So I'm just gonna rig up my rod with like a worm-like figure lure and hopefully that will do some damage. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use this little spinnerbait worm thing and hopefully that will catch something. Oh yes, I got one.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
Nice.
Quick Asher, do you wanna grab the camera? So guys, this is just my second cast on this little worm-like bait and we already have a small bass. Look at that. Nice. Get this guy off.
So good.
It's so that good. Was like second cast.
Yeah. Told you that was dude, that move works really well.
There you go. This is actually my first bass I've ever caught. This guy. Oh, there he goes. Gone. Nice. Cool. Yeah. Nice. What type of lure are you using, Eli?
I'm just using a little popper.
Popper?
Yeah,
nice.
I'll show you. That one. Got some good bass in that.
Cool. Okay guys, first fish down and let's see if we can get any more. Okay guys, so this thing actually does some damage. So it's just a little worm type thing on a hook attached to like a spinnerbait onto like a wire leader, which is attached to a swivel and then just normal braid. So yeah, that's a little setup going. So it's pretty sunny right now, the water's pretty clear and we'll see if that makes a difference. So I'm just fishing with my boys over here. So I got little Asher over there and then Eli's just in the grass over there. I'm just fishing this little creek here. Hopefully we can catch a big bass.
Oh, gone.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
A little nice bass there.
Nice bass. Hey.
Oh, on the popper, is that it?
Yeah.
Nice one.
Mini pop. A nice
That's
sized
big.
bass.
Nice one.
Yeah. Awesome.
Now I need to catch one.
You'll catch one.
There you go.
Show us the fish and then we'll pop it back in. Nice, that's fish
nice
2
bass.
down.
Oh.
Oh. Feisty little bugger.
There you go.
Sweet.
Sweet.
That.
Nice. A nice release for him.
There he goes.
Off he goes. Find another day.
Sweet. So there we have it, guys. 2 fish down. It's looking pretty good right now. We've only been fishing for like 15 minutes and already caught 2 pretty good sized bass. That's pretty cool. Hopefully we can get some more. Just gonna set up my reel now and we'll catch another one. Okay, so I found a new fishing spot. It's just like closed off by like some rocks, but it looks pretty good for some bass habitat. So there's the rocks separating the other little creek there, but this looks like bass heaven in here. So let's see what we can get up. So we're checking through some long grass and we're gonna go hopefully find a new spot. Should be pretty good. Now to find the best spots you gotta do a bit of traveling, so we're just walking through this little rainforest thing, hopefully find a good little spot. So after a bit of walking in this little forest thing here, we end up on a road. There you go. And there's a little drain there, so we're just gonna fish this little creek thing here and see how it goes. Found this like little spot here, so we're just gonna work the edges of the little creek thing here and try and cover as much area as we can just through the snags, and hopefully we can catch another fish. So easy. So the fun of fishing is you get to hike around and find some really cool spots. That's always good fun of fishing. So we've just done a little walk around a little rainforest area, and now we're back at the same spot now, and hopefully we can catch another bass. Haven't been successful through a little rainforest bit, but it was fun to just walk around and check out the new spot. So
go. Oh, flip.
Oh, huge one.
Get it, lift it up, lift it up. Oh!
That's a keeper!
Holy crap!
Oh, yes!
Look how big this one is.
Can we keep it?
That's huge.
Oh, yes!
In a little worm.
A little worm.
You swallowed that.
Worm.
Nice.
Good again. Well done, Asher.
That one's huge. Holy crap!
What do you say about that, Zach?
That's huge.
Yeah. Sure.
I thought it was a snag.
Yeah, it was tangled around the snag, and but no, that's a big bass.
Cool little bass.
Yeah.
You gonna hold Asher?
Phew.
So check it. Look at that. Look how big that one is. It's huge. That's good. And off he goes. Sweet. Whew. Nice one. So that bass that we just caught down there, I caught it on this little worm like spinnerbait, and I got Asher to reel it in for me, and it was ended up, I think it was a 40 centimeter bass, so that was huge in this little creek here. So we're going to check a little bridge out next, and hopefully we can get something bigger.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So that's the third fish of the day, and what a ripper to catch that huge bass. Now we're just on going to the bridge now, and that should be pretty fun, so I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we're at the bridge now, and hopefully we can get some good fish. We're just making our way under this bridge, and then we're out into this free grassy area, and then there's the nice creek. So this is the new little spot just under the bridge. Looks pretty nice, just under some camphor laurel trees. Good cover for little bass, so hopefully we can catch some. Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Got another small-ish bass, look at that. Fourth fish of the day, look at that. They are loving this little worm lure. Look at that. That's awesome. Nice little fish.
Oh, go on, Zach.
You got another one?
Yeah.
Oh. Nice little fish there.
Look at that. Similar size to your one. Maybe just a little bit smaller though.
Nice little fish there.
There we go. Nice little smallmouth bass.
Sweet. Nice
Australian.
one.
Australian bass.
There he goes. So that's the fourth fish of the day, and it's pretty good so far. We're gonna try again. Hopefully we can get some more. Hopefully we get some big ones. So after a day's fishing with the boys, we managed to catch 4 fish, which was pretty cool. 4 Australian bass, which was a lot of fun. We went through like rainforests, grassy paddocks, bridges, all of a fun day fishing. So yeah, so a nice little fishing day out with the boys. We have Eli here, and then we have Asher. So good little day with these boys.
Yeah,
cool.